From basement rigs to AI cloud miners. The new gold rush. Picture this. It's 2017, and you're in a dingy basement crammed with buzzing, overheating GPUs, each one chewing through electricity like a pack of ravenous wolves. You've watched as friends dropped five-figure sums on hardware, only to see profits evaporate the moment difficulty spiked or electricity rates climbed. Crypto mining was brutal. A relentless arms race, and you couldn't blink for a second. But fast forward to today, and the landscape has shifted beneath our feet. AI-powered cloud mining is emerging as the new frontier. No expensive rigs, no sleepless nights tinkering with overclocked graphics cards. Instead, you tap into remote data centers optimized by intelligent algorithms that pivot across coins, adjust settings in real time, and deliver passive income straight to your wallet. Imagine earning Bitcoin, Ethereum, or up-and-coming altcoins without a whiff of solder fumes or a surge protector sweating under load. Welcome to the ultimate guide to AI-powered crypto mining. No expensive gear needed. Over the next two segments, we're going to trace the evolution of crypto mining, from CPU hobbyists to GPU warehouses to today's AI-driven cloud-based ecosystems. Dive into AI-powered cloud mining, how it works, why it's different, and how you can earn crypto without owning a single piece of mining hardware. Reveal how to start mining with zero upfront investment. No ASICs, no GPUs, just your existing browser and an appetite for passive income. Tease what comes next. Maximizing profits with AI optimization. Fine-tuning algorithms, shifting between chains, and squeezing every drop of yield from the network. The evolution of crypto mining and AI-driven cloud mining. From CPUs to GPUs to ASICs, a brief history. When Bitcoin launched in 2009, mining was as accessible as running a simple script on your laptop's CPU. Early adopters cheered as block rewards flowed in. Blocks every 10 minutes, each worth 50 BTC. But by 2011, savvy miners realized CPU hashing power paled next to GPU horsepower. Graphics cards, originally designed for gaming, could perform the repetitive 𝐂𝐴256 calculations orders of magnitude faster than a CPU. Suddenly, basements turned into holographic chicken state showcases, racks of Radeon and GeForce cards humming away. By 2013, the next evolution arrived, ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. These single-purpose chips were built solely for mining 𝐂𝐴256 and script algorithms, rendering GPUs obsolete for Bitcoin. ASIC adoption exploded difficulty, and individual miners had to band together into pools just to score a sliver of block rewards. Entire warehouses lit up with ASIC rigs drawing megawatts of power. Electricity bills soared. Profits thinned. Mining was no longer a hobby. It was a capital-intensive, industrial-scale operation. The birth of cloud mining. Faced with the arms race of hardware and spiraling electricity costs, cost-conscious investors searched for alternatives. Enter cloud mining, renting hashing power on remote servers. Instead of buying hardware, you would purchase contracts from a provider who owned and maintained massive data centers. You paid a maintenance fee, and in return, you received a share of mining rewards proportional to your hash rate. Advantages: no hardware headaches, no noise, no spiking electric bills. Pitfalls: many early cloud mining firms overpromised and underdelivered. Contracts were often unprofitable when difficulty rose sharply. Cloud mining initially struggled because providers had to maintain physical ASICs 24/7, often in expensive data centers with higher power costs. Plus, fixed-rate contracts locked users into terms that crushed margins when Bitcoin prices plunged. By 2018, trust in cloud mining providers eroded. Many collapsed or delivered measly returns. 3. Enter AI-driven cloud mining, the new paradigm. Fast forward to 2024, and AI is rewriting the rules of cloud mining. Here's how. Dynamic profit switching. Rather than mining a single coin nonstop, AI algorithms constantly analyze multiple blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. They forecast which chain has the highest profit per hash ratio at any given moment, based on network difficulty, transaction fees, and reward halvings. When AI spots a sudden surge in Ethereum transaction fees, perhaps caused by a popular NFT drop, it shifts hashing power toward Ethereum Classic if it yields slightly higher returns. These automated microswitches can happen dozens of times per day, imperceptible to you, but profitable in your wallet. Data center optimization. AI monitors ambient temperature, power efficiency, and server load. If a rack of GPUs is running hot in a Texas data center, cooling systems kick in to prevent throttling. If power prices spike in that region, the system can output lower priority tasks, e.g., GPU research workloads, and redirect mining to data centers in cooler zones or where renewable energy is cheaper. This global orchestration ensures your rented hash power runs at peak efficiency around the clock. Risk mitigation and hardware longevity. AI-driven firms run predictive failure analysis, where machine learning models anticipate when a chip or fan is about to fail. Maintenance crews get real-time alerts, swap in fresh components, and keep the farm up. Downtime is minimal, meaning your investment never sits idle. 4. How you start cloud mining with zero hardware. You don't need to deploy a bulldozer to carry servers across Siberia. Instead, you sign up for an AI-empowered cloud mining service, often with 3 simple steps. Register an account. Choose a reputable provider that uses real-time AI profit switching and transparent reporting. Look for platforms with audited data centers and live dashboards showing hash rates, energy usage, and payout history. Select a mining plan. Options range from modest 100 gigahashes per second plans to custom bundles of 1,000 terahashes per second. You pay a monthly or daily fee, usually under 10 cents per gigahash per second, without any need to buy ASICs or GPUs. Some services even allow you to stake their native token, if they have one, to access discounted rates. Enter your wallet address. Within minutes, your chosen hash power goes live. AI instantly begins torquing through blocks, allocating resources across coins, and the system deposits your earnings, minus maintenance fees, straight to your wallet. No power bills, no rig assembly, no noise, just passive crypto inflows. 5. Why AI-powered cloud mining beats DIY rigs? Zero capex. Traditional rigs require thousands of dollars upfront. AI cloud mining lets you start with as little as $5. No technical skill required. Forget firmware tweaks, ASIC cooling mods, or networking configurations. AI Dashboard handles it all. Sustainable and scalable. You don't worry about rising energy costs or hardware aging. Providers deploy new generation ASICs behind the scenes. You just renew your plan if ROI stays healthy. When difficulty surges, AI switching helps flatten dips in profitability, smoothing your earnings curve. You've seen how AI transforms mining from hardware nightmares to precision-driven, globally optimized profit engines. If you're ready to leave your dusty GPU rack behind and dive into AI-powered cloud mining, click subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters, smash that like, and comment AI Mine Me to get my private list of vetted AI cloud mining providers. The future of crypto mining isn't in basements, it's in the cloud. Let's claim those passive rewards together.